Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So we're on the 4-hour time frame because if this right here is the end of a correction, then this is a wave 1, wave 2, and this is a wave 3, meaning that it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and most likely go all the way down and take out this structure. I still think this is the most likely thing to happen. Now, there's a possibility that this could be an ABC, a pullback to this last wave up, and it continues the uptrend. If that is the case, then it will break structure to the upside at one of these Fibonacci levels, which in order to see your structure, you're probably going to have to be back down to about the 1-hour time frame. So if this is not a wave 3, but it's actually a wave C, then either the 61 or the 78%, you would likely get a bounce and a break of structure. If that happens, I would know that we're looking at a wave C, and I would go back to being bullish the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. But there's no reason to say that that has to happen. It could definitely continue to make lower lows, lower highs if it's a wave 3. So the best advice right now is to enjoy the trend and short this thing every single chance you get via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.